hand around your hip now. Come on and let your backbone slip. Move your body like your hip and just shake. Got to have it now. Keep on pushing, baby. Shake. Got to move. Hey, out. A ring-a-ling-a-ling. Honey, shaking is the greatest thing. But if you really roll, you got to do the thing with oh, shake it with all your might. And if you do it right now. You put your hand around your hip, yeah. And honey, you let your backbone slip now. You move your body like your hip.